I am Joe Bonifate with Arch Masonry and Restoration. Today we are going to lay out a square corner. In this scenario we have one wall line, maybe a point in the footing here, one down there, we chalk the line. The problem is we don't have one down there, and we want to build this corner. Now, rather than just laying a square on the footer and tracing it, we want to make sure that we know where this wall is going. The best way to do that is a technique called the 3-4-5. With everyone using total stations and different GPS locators today, this is getting to be a lost art. I think it's important that every mason knows how to 3-4-5 a corner. Now, what I mean by that is one length divisible by 3, the other length divisible by 4, the diagonal will always be 5. So, in this case, I'm going to use 6 inches. So for 6 inches, 6 times 3 is 18. I'll hold 18 on the point and I'll mark it. Then I will come this way and I'll hold 24 and I'll do a good sweep. Now what I'm going to do is hold 30 on that point and sweep it this way. Where they intersect will be a perfect 90-degree corner coming off of this wall. 3, 4, 5. What we have is an X that marks our spot. We can then chalk a line. So now we have a square corner. And how this would play out on a job site, typically you would get one of your trade partners, fellow mason, helper on the crew, anybody, and you would take a tape measure and stretch out the distance further. The further the distance, the more accurate the corner and the more accurate that end of the wall is going to be. So you could do 5 foot. So 15 foot this way, 20 foot that way with a 25-foot diagonal. If you have a really big building and 100-foot tape, do 10 foot, 30, 40 with a 50. Do as much as you think possible. Pull the sag out of the tape and get a good measurement.